So I get some shea butter and I go across my face too. Not the hairline, the face. And this ain't like this ain't no baby oil. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no baby oil. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't feel really too oily at all, even though, man, look, you go get touched by the cold one time with some lotion on. I guarantee you turning ashy in 1 second. So this is what I'm telling y'all, natural shea butter is decent for the skin. I'm telling you, if you melanated. And they look at me, they like, damn, boy, you still look like you they say you like 17. No, I'm not 17, shawty. What you did right there, you basically highlighted your hairline. So now when I come down, you gonna see like a little ash around the head. It only makes sense. The spots that you don't put the shea butter on is low-key gonna look ashy. I'm not gonna cap it out.